What is up, y'all? It is Flacco back, and today we're talking about a pair of 11s that you may only wear once because the creasing is so bad.
No, God!
As you know, the Gratitude 11s were released over this past weekend, and one of the biggest problems with these are that they crease easily. Of course that this is a good material that's on the shoe, but it's just good. One of the main problems is after one wear with these shoes, it looks like you've been walking on your tippy toes all day.
Tippy toes. I don't see your tip.
And especially after dropping $230 with taxes, $250, nobody wants their brand new pair of 11s to look like that. Of course, you can invest in crease protectors, but who really wants to do that? After I already dropped the money on the shoe, I would expect the shoe to hold up and do its damage. Well, not get damaged. If you take a look at the shoe, you realize that it's gonna have that classic 11 look, which is gonna have the patent leather around the rim of the shoe. And this is like a black, yeah, it's like a black. These are supposed to be similar to the DMP 11s, but this is the Gratitude version. One of the things that I do like about this shoe is that the Jumpman itself is like it's a different material compared to what we're used to. And I'm not sure what the material is on there, but another cool thing is that the 23 on the back is also made of the same material that is put on the side with the Jumpman. On the bottom, you will have this milky outsole across the bottom of the shoe, and then towards on the actual bottom of the shoe, of course, you'll have that carbon fiber with the Jumpman and the black bottom soles. Comparing to all the other 11s that have been released, one of my biggest things is I'm curious how the yellowing would look on these because it's such a milky outsole. I'm assuming this would be like a darker yellow compared to how all the other
Oh my God
11s have aged after wearing. I think the bottom sole is one of my favorite things on the Gratitude 11s other than the Jumpman and the 23 on the back, because the material that they put on this is amazing. Throughout the shoe, you will realize that it has that leather, but on the side panels, the leather that is here compared to what is on the tongue of the shoe are two different leathers. This one is more of like a stiff leather, a pleather, while the one that's on the tongue is going to be a softer leather. I'm curious why they didn't put that softer leather on the outside versus just on the tongue, because it's two different feels. But maybe if they were to put this on the outside of the shoe, it would have creased a little bit more. So, not judging the Jordan brand, you know, they are the brand and designers, you know, for whatever reasons, but like I said, just some things that I would change. I would change the leather that's on the side panel and make it the same one that's on the tongue, because the one that's on the side panel is much more stiff. But to each his own. Right now, this shoe is still sitting, surprisingly, and it's on a couple of websites. One of the websites that I checked out earlier today and realized that the shoe is still available in an 8 all the way to a 13 with social status. By the time you get there, it might be sold out. But if you check out the sneakers app, you'll realize that they have every size below men's. So you can get any size available except for the men's size. It was just an easy pickup for those who did want it. Me, myself, I did not purchase them. I wasn't a fan of these, but even looking at them in hand, I'm still not a fan of them. I rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. I give it a 7. It's just not something that I actually like, and I don't think that this would be in my top 10 shoes of releases of 2023, but that's just me. Everybody has their own opinion, but let me know, were you able to pick up the Gratitude 11s? If so, was it an easy cop? Did you wait a few days? Or what is your favorite colorway of the 11s that have been released? For me, I'm always gonna say the Space Jams. That was a classic, especially with the design and the boxing. It was pretty cool. I do appreciate you guys for watching. Drop your comments below. Let me know if this was an easy pickup for you, and is this one of your top shoes of 2023? For me, it's a no, but I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Flacco is out.